Hey you guys, so today I am going to give one of my friends one of my Japanese maple tree in a container. I've made a container over here, so I am going to transfer it from my container into a container that I built. So I haven't been home. We haven't been home for at least 2 weeks now, and we've been back, but I haven't had a chance to do any update on my garden tour. So we went on a road trip. We went to Yellowstone National Park. We went to visit friends who lives there, and then we went to Glacier National Park, and we also went to Banff out in Canada. So we stayed there, and then we drove back and stopped by Mount Rushmore. So I've just been taking it easy. We celebrated 4th of July here and cooked out. I smoked a brisket and a pork butt, and then I also just rested and did things around the house. Didn't really tend too much to my garden since I've been back, but I did build a container, a planter actually, out of cedar. I watched this guy's YouTube channel and decided to build one of my own so that I can put this Japanese maple tree in this planter box that I am gifting my friend for her 50th birthday. So let me switch the thing around, let you guys see. Oops. So this is my container right here. There are ants in here right now, but let's see if I can move this way so I don't have to run over it. So this is my Crimson Queen lace leaf Japanese maple. I'm going to transfer that into here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some soil into this container. It's going to be really heavy once I put this in, so I don't know how much soil I really need. I'm just going to add some here. Oh, in the bottom of this planter, I lined it with some, just let me tip it over here for you guys so you guys can see. I lined it with a weed barrier so that the soil doesn't fall out easily, but it can still be porous enough for water to drain. And it's about to rain, you guys, so I'm gonna try to make this quick as I can. Let's put that there. And I've got some holly tone here. Alright, let's see how well I can transplant this out without making too much of a mess. Here's my label. Like I said, there's a bunch of ants living in here, so I am going to be struggling with this for a little bit. Let's see how I can take this out. Oh, heavens. Alright, let's take it off the stand here. Ooh. Alright. My foot stand here, and let's see how I can do this carefully. Oh, good, okay. This is a pretty heavy container since I just watered it as well. I'm watering my plants also at the same time. And get some water in here. All right, let's see. All right, look at this. All right, I'm going to put it round into a square here. Oh, my goodness, this is pretty heavy. Oh, heavens. Alrighty. Woo! There we go. Wasn't so bad after all. a lot of, let me fill it in with some more soil. Probably need to trim this plant down a little bit. I was gonna dig this up, but I'm just gonna leave it all in here. There we go. Okay. All right, let's fill this up with the rest of the soil. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more fertilizer up here up top. And then water it in one more time. There we go. There's ants everywhere. I need some more soil. All right, let me go get another bag of soil. Right back. Wow. How do the ants get in here? My goodness, there's a whole bunch of ants. Oh my gosh. These ants sure has a way to come and make their home in every soil they can get into. All right, let's see. I need a shovel of some sort. What I'm going to do is, after I put all these soil in, potting soil, I'm going to water it in and then get some ant pellet to get rid of these ants here. And get all the side pockets and the corners filled in. think that's good. Soil. Let's put this over here for a moment. Oh, my plants are dying over here. All right, let's water this in. I'm gonna trim these back. These, what are these called? Dusty Miller, yeah. The new look Dusty Miller. Cut it back and let it grow back again. Get the soil to settle in. It's a really good looking box, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me wash these away here. Well, I need to water this too. While I put this bag away in the trash here. So that's it, you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a look at my Japanese maple tree that I'm gifting my friend. Let me put the label back in here, and it is a Crimson Queen. Let's put that over here. And that is for her 50th birthday. It's pretty heavy. So I don't know how I'm gonna get this over to her house, but I'm gonna wait for the water to drain out of it for a little bit and dry up just a little bit, and then we'll load it onto a truck and give it to her. Her birthday was last week, and she was in Europe with her husband for her 50th birthday. So I already mentioned that she was going to get a gift from me and that I was going to make this for her, but she doesn't know what it looks like. So she'll be surprised tomorrow when she comes over for dinner, and I'll show this to her. So I'm just going to move this over here to the side if I can. Scoot it over just a little bit, and that will be hers to take. So that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I had made. This is made out of, I stained it with a red oak. Is it red oak color? I can't remember the stain color, but I'll look at it and I'll put the picture on there. But the wood is, the top trimming is just pine for this top here, but the bottom and the legs and the inside is from cedar. So I hope it will last a good amount of time with the cedar. I've put a lot of screws in there to help hold the legs up. And sorry I didn't record what I was making because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, because I didn't really have a plan. I just watched a video and I started measuring what I wanted the box size to be, how many boards it was going to have in there, and then I just started cutting. So I don't have a table saw. Well, we do have one, but my husband said it's kind of iffy. He didn't want me cutting my fingers off, so I had a circular saw. I think a circular saw, the one that goes on the ground, and I use that. I can only cut like right angles and 45 degrees angles. I can't split the wood or anything like that. So I had to trim some by hand, and this is it. So I think it looks really good for my first time making a planter box. Not bad. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.